In the case of the Honda BR-V with CVT transmission, filter replacement is a very important maintenance task that should generally be done every 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers. The Honda BR-V actually uses two filters in its transmission system. A primary filter located inside the oil pan, how to change the CVT transmission secondary fluid filter. I will show you in this video how to find CVT transmission secondary filter. Another one is the secondary filter oil cooler, inline. Now I will remove the CVT transmission oil cooler 3 screw. I took the oil cooler out. Look inside the secondary CVT transmission fluid filter. Now I will remove the CVT transmission fluid filter. I took out the CVT transmission secondary filter from inside the gearbox. Install this new CVT transmission secondary filter O-ring. Now I will install this new CVT transmission secondary filter. You must change the two O-rings of the oil cooler. If you do not change them, then the CVT transmission fluid may leak. I will install new O-rings. I installed the new O-ring. Now I'll install the oil cooler. I will install the 3 screws of the oil cooler. Make sure to tighten the screws well so that CVT transmission fluid does not leak. CVT secondary fluid filter installation is complete. In the next video, I will show you how to change the primary fluid filter and how to check the CVT transmission fluid level.